Going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at $26,300, down about 3.5% on the day. What I want to do is take a look at Bitcoin here on the weekly time frame, and we're going to work our way in and get you some good detail. So one thing in the last few videos we've been pointing out here is the weekly 200 moving average, guys, and we've seen a lot of rejection from that. That's going to come in at $27,600. Pushed up there, we could not hold that level. Bear stepped in, and now we're back down here around this $26,300. So that's going to show some weakness. We also have to pay attention to the relative strength, which has dropped below our 50 line. That's typically an area I like to watch, guys. For strength, I'd like to see us trading up above that 50 line. For weakness, it's going to be below. Right now, we're at that 46.5. So the bulls need to get over top of the 50, as well as close this week's candle back up above the 200 week moving average, because we've been trading now for about 3 weeks below it. So that's something I want you guys to watch, as well as the daily 200 moving average as well. So you can see how they're kind of correlated right now. So the bulls pushed up. We had one day where we closed up above the 200, and now we're really showing weakness. Bears stepped in, pushing it all the way back down. We've given up about 80-90% of the move, and now we have to see if the bulls are going to defend. $26,000 is going to be the area. Relative strength on the daily is going to put us at 39. So definitely showing weakness, and we're trading below our 200-day as well as our 50-day moving average in red. So bulls definitely need to step in, but even if the bulls step in here, guys, what we look at is a potential lower high right here, and then another flush to the downside. And the reason for that is just due to the size of the pullback here. Now, Bitcoin can do anything. It can rally all the way up here, guys, but technically when you see something pull back this much, the most likely scenario is going to be a lower high or some type of equilibrium here. So just really watching that, because we gave up so much. If we were going to have strength, we probably would have only given up about 38 to 40% of the move. Then we would have tried to go for another leg higher. So this is a really tricky market. You're going to see on the 1 hour time frame just how tricky Bitcoin is, but really be careful out there. That's one thing I'm going to preach here, guys. We still may get better buying opportunities down the road. And then on the hourly time frame, take a look here, guys. In 1 hour, got the news, that huge spike, but we weren't able to hold it. We didn't consolidate in time, move sideways before another move. We just essentially gave it all back. Relative strength is going to be at 22 right now, and the bulls haven't really stepped in real heavy. So what I would say is just be a little bit more careful out there, guys. We may potentially get some better buying opportunities down the road here, but I'm not anxious to jump into anything just yet. I still need to see the bulls prove a lot more. So that's what I'm going to say out there, guys. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.